Meteorologist Bradley Benoit.
Welcome back. Well, if you're looking to defrost from the winter chill, you're going to like this week because we're going to be feeling more like spring here across Acadiana with temperatures pushing the lower 70s for our afternoons. Overnight lows will be trending upwards as well, so we'll track those temperatures. Plus our rain chances breaking up a little bit for the end of the week. More on all of that here in just a little bit. But first, high pressure was in control today, so plenty of sunshine, comfortable temperatures in place. We officially hit 65 degrees this afternoon here in Lafayette, so pretty much right where we should be for this time of year. Now, that high pressure is going to start to push off to our east through the overnight period, which is going to allow southerly flow to continue to bring in that Gulf of Mexico moisture. That, along with some cloud cover moving in from the west, will prevent our temperatures from getting quite as cold as we head into tomorrow morning, and then mild tomorrow afternoon, even milder than where we were today, with temperatures some 8 degrees warmer out there for your Tuesday afternoon. So here's how it plays out here with the graph model. Again, not quite cold for tomorrow morning, but still chilly nonetheless, with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s across the area, and then fair to partly sunny skies throughout your Tuesday afternoon. We'll have a cold front up here in the northern parts of the state, but that's where the shower activity and the coldest of the air is going to remain. We're going to be stuck in the warm sector here across Acadiana, so temperatures able to climb into the lower and mid 70s out there for your Tuesday afternoon. That front tries to push through as we head into early Wednesday, but it kind of runs out of gas here, so mainly just bringing in some cloud cover. It may help to generate a few light sprinkles, especially along the coastal parishes first thing on Wednesday morning, but otherwise not going to be cooling us off a whole lot. In fact, that boundary is going to start to slowly lift northward here as we head throughout Wednesday afternoon. Thus, southerly flow gets reestablished here across the area. So another mild one as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Maybe a few degrees cooler than where we'll top out tomorrow afternoon, but still above average in the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees there on Wednesday afternoon. We will be lacking the low-level moisture, so I do expect the day on Wednesday to remain dry. As we head into Thursday, that high pressure once again back off to our east. Our next surface feature is going to start to approach from the north and west, and that could help to generate at least a few light showers throughout Thursday afternoon, especially with southerly flow remaining in place. But best rain chances of the week still look to arrive as we head into Friday, as this surface feature is going to be moving a little bit closer to the area, helping to bring in a cold front. But the bulk of that upper level energy may actually stay a little bit farther off to our north, and if that is indeed the case, then the heaviest of the rainfall and the highest rainfall totals would also tend to stay a little bit farther off to our north as well, and that's illustrated here with the GFS model. This is rainfall totals through Sunday morning. Notice 2 to 3 inches of rain could fall in northern Louisiana into parts of Mississippi. Meanwhile, here in Acadiana, most of us perhaps picking up an inch or less, so no significant rainfall totals expected here with the rainfall as we head a little bit later on into this week. So that's the good news. But of course, you know us, we're going to watch the trends here over the next couple of days. So again, in the short term, not quite as cold as we head to tomorrow morning. We'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, but then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, you can see where the front is here in the northern parts of the state, where parts of the Arklatex will be in the 50s. Meanwhile, here in Acadiana, we'll be in the lower 70s. As we head into Wednesday morning, we'll see temperatures even a little bit milder into the lower and mid 50s, and then afternoon highs on Wednesday afternoon, topping out in the upper 60s. To right around 70 degrees under partly to mostly cloudy skies. So quiet night ahead here across Acadiana, not quite as cold with temperatures falling back into the mid and upper 40s. Some patchy fog possible by tomorrow morning, but we're going to have to see how this plays out. Of course, you can tune in to GMA tomorrow morning for the latest observations. And as we head into your Tuesday, again, feeling more like spring out there with fair to partly sunny skies in place. Afternoon highs climbing into the lower and mid 70s. Breezy southerly winds at times at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head through the next 10 days, spring-like weather sticking with us here for the better part of the week, with those afternoon highs pushing the lower 70s. More cloud cover going into Wednesday with isolated rain chances there on Thursday afternoon, but then more scattered in nature as we head into Friday. Some of that activity lingers into Friday night, perhaps early Saturday morning, but then should be a little cooler out there for Saturday afternoon as high temperatures return back to the lower and mid 60s. Perhaps some isolated rain chances there on Sunday afternoon, and a little bit more unsettled as we head into the first parts of next week. But in the near term, Jim, feeling a little bit like spring out there.
Yeah, no 30s on that forecast
I know,
at all, right?
Exactly.
So fingers crossed we're through with it. Okay, thanks, Bradley.